calculating percentage profit or loss. I'm sure you're familiar with these signs. Percentages, right? Okay, so what do we mean by calculating a percentage profit or loss? First of all, a percentage of anything is comparing it to the original value of something. Okay, so in this case, because we are talking about profit or loss, percentage profit or loss is comparing the profit or loss with the original price, which is our cost price. Okay, so when we say percentage loss or percentage profit, we just want to know how much of that cost price are you making as a profit or loss. How bad is the loss or how great is the profit? Okay, so if for instance, so you will say profit or loss. So if you have profit, you compare your profit to cost price, and of course you must multiply it by 100 to make it a percentage, you see. So if for instance you compare your profit to your cost price and we get something like 100%. 100% means that you are getting the all of your cost price back as profit, which is beautiful. Okay, so what that means is that if I buy something for 50 naira and I have 100% profit, it means my profit is also 50 naira. Is that not beautiful? Right? So a percentage profit or loss is comparing the profit or loss to the cost price, and of course we multiply it by 100. I'm explaining this because I don't want you to cram the formula. Right? So let's see some examples. Let's see how bad is our profit, or how bad or how great or how good is how great is your profit, or how bad or terrible is the loss. So we have a popcorn here, and the cost price is 60 naira, and the selling price is 120 naira. Profit or loss? Is this a profit or a loss? Of course, this is profit because the selling price is greater than the cost price. Okay, so we say selling price minus cost price. And so we have 120 minus 60, and that gives us what? 60 naira. It is not a loss. So are we calculating percentage profit or a percentage loss? Since we made a profit, we are calculating percentage profit in this case, right? Percentage profit. So how do we calculate that? We are comparing our profit against the cost price. So what's our profit? 60. What's the cost price? 60. And of course we multiply by 100 over 1. Right? 60 cancels 60. We have 1. We have 100%. Beautiful. Can you see? Which means that the whole of what was invested was gotten back. This is beautiful. 100% profit. Right? So let's see. This is a popsicle, and this cost 25 naira. This costs 25 naira. And our selling price is 20 naira. Is this a profit or a loss? This is not a profit because the selling price is less than the cost price. Okay, so in this case we say we'd have cost price minus selling price because the cost price is bigger. And so we have 25 naira minus 20, and that gives us 5 naira. That's a 5 naira loss. What are we calculating in this case? A percentage profit or a percentage loss? We didn't make a profit, so we are calculating a percentage loss. So in this case, we are calculating a percentage loss, which means that we will be comparing the loss 5 naira against the cost price, which is 25 naira, and we'll multiply by 100 because we are talking about a percentage. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 5. 5 here 1, and 5 in 100 is 20. So that means we have a percentage loss of 20%. Remember, there is no percentage without this sign. So if you just write 20, you will be wrong. So even though we made a loss of 20 naira, our percentage loss is 20%, which means that we only lost 20% of what we invested. That's what it means. Okay? Good. More examples. Are you excited? Hope you are writing though. Okay. So this is a movie ticket and this cost 1,200. 1,200, and this was sold for 1,500 naira. Is this a profit or a loss? Profit, right? So we have selling price minus cost price. 1,500 minus 1,200 gives us 300 naira. We made a profit, not a loss. So we are also calculating percentage profit. Okay, which means that we put in our profit, which is 300 naira, against the cost price, which is 1,200, multiplied by 100. Do we go about it? How do we go about this? 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 3 here, 1. 3 goes in 12 in 4 places. So I have 100 over 4. 4 goes here, 1, and 4 goes in 100 in 25 places. Which means we have 25% profit. Right. So when you're calculating percentage profit or loss, you would need the cost price, the selling price, profit if you are calculating percentage profit, or loss if you are calculating percentage loss. Right. So we have an exit and the price is 450 naira. Now this was sold for 300 naira. Is this a profit or a loss? No, this is not a profit. So we have a loss. I would say this would be cost price minus selling price, isn't it? So we have 450 minus 300, and that gives us 150 naira. We are calculating percentage loss because it was a loss. And so we have the loss 150 over the cost price 450, of course multiplied by 100 because we are calculating percentage. Okay, so we have 0 cancel 0. Let's see what we can divide. Okay, I know that 15 goes here 1 and I have 3 15s in 45. Right, it may take you some other steps to get to that. 5 goes here 3. And 5 goes here 9, 3 here 1, and 3 here 3. So I have 1 over 3. And so we have 100 over 3. Not all the time that we have a perfect whole number. So what is 100 divided by 3? If you do that correctly, you'd have in 33 places, because 3 times 33 is 99, 1 left over 3. So we have 33 and 33 whole number, 1 over 3%. You can as well leave your answers also in decimal, depending on what you are asked to do. But what is important is that you understand that when you are calculating profit or loss, you have to identify the original value, which in our case here, because we are calculating percentage loss or profit, we are talking about what? The cost price. The original value would be the cost price. Now, work out the profit or the loss like we have done. Are you calculating percentage profit or loss? Calculate your profit or loss. Then you solve carefully. This is the most important part. Leave your answer in percentages. That's when we would know you are calculating a percentage profit or a loss. In the last lesson, we'll have more examples calculating percentage profit or loss. Don't forget to take your quiz. And send me your questions if you have questions that you want me to answer. I always love to hear or read from you. I wish you all the best. See you in the next lesson.